So welcome to our new dealership. We opened up here in November last year, and hopefully we've been doing a good job. We're in a tough industry, but we are strong, and part of that strength comes from our ladies that are sitting behind you there. There's a lot of opportunities in this industry, and specifically in our group, where they're looking at development for women. So there's opportunities for you as grade 11s and 12s to look at a possibility of a career within the motor industry. And there's lots of different aspects that can be filled. It's not the traditional admin positions. There are technicians that are ladies out there, and that's physical work, it's tough work, and they're good at what they do. So don't discount yourselves because of your gender. There's a lot of strength in being a lady, and we welcome that strength into our business. That's a good balance. So from my side, my name's Tyron, you can call me Ty. This house is yours today to enjoy, and we hope you get some really good knowledge out of it and get inspired by it. So there's a lot of opportunities in the motor industry. Sorry for that. It's not just about selling cars. There's a whole lot of different background mechanisms, and there's a lot of potential for our fairer sex, you ladies, to grow a career in the industry. So I welcome you. If you've got questions, ask. Please, when you go to the workshop, stick with Carmel, because it is an unsafe environment. When I say unsafe, she'll regulate where you need to go, so you're all safe. And if there's any questions, you're welcome to ask. But thanks for joining us. We value it, and hopefully we see some of you in the industry in the next few years.
Hi everyone, I'm 𝐤𝐦𝐩𝐨𝐰𝐞𝐫. I'm doing grade 11. I'm living at Molweni. I believe that I'm beautiful and I will pass at school.
Hey everyone, my name is 𝐤𝐦𝐩𝐨𝐰𝐞𝐫 from Molweni. I believe that I'm going to be successful and I love to act. Yes.
Hi everyone, my name is 𝐁𝐻𝐻𝐿𝐻𝐻. I'm capable of doing anything because I'm independent and I believe in myself.
My name is 𝐤𝐦𝐩𝐨𝐰𝐞𝐫. Okay, my name is 𝐤𝐦𝐩𝐨𝐰𝐞𝐫. Yeah, okay, I'm shy, but I want to be independent. I am independent. I don't want to depend on a man. Yeah, I believe I'm strong, but yeah, we be shy. And when I wake up, it's saying, what is the word for ukshela? Ukshela. Like I shella myself. Yeah, shella. I motivate myself. I look myself in the mirror and I say I'm beautiful. Like Johnny Born, I'm beautiful, cute, and strong.
My name is Angie Swabegwa. I'm from Molweni, studying at 𝐴𝐻𝐻𝐾𝐫. I believe that I'm special because I have the potential in me. I'm gonna be successful. I'm gonna speak to the universe. I'm gonna tell the universe that I'm gonna be successful. If the plan doesn't work, I'm gonna change the plan, but not the goal. I'm gonna be successful. I'm gonna be
I just want to say thanks to 𝐶𝐸 South Africa and 𝐸𝐩 from Talk the Talk for coming through and arranging this upliftment session with the young girls. I think it's a vital component of our industry, and 𝐶𝐸 South Africa are driving to empower women and move them up the chain in terms of positions within the group. So thank you to 𝐸𝐩 and thank you to 𝐶𝐸 South Africa. We've had a wonderful morning, it's been very uplifting, and we're looking forward to seeing more results coming out of these sessions and more positive impact on everyone's lives that come to these sessions. Thank you very much.